How you doing, folks? And it's day 20 of the candle opening. This is not sponsored by Galaxy or the Postcard Lottery. We've got another special guest today, and let's see who's behind the screen or the sheet of paper. Here we go, special guest time. We have got Leo the Lion. We have got Leo the Lion today, helping us out on the Postcard Lottery and the Galaxy. So let's see what's behind day 20, or door 20. 20 is... Come on. Day 20s. Stay. We have got a snowman. Leo the Lion. It's just run away. Anyway. Stay. Let's see what's down behind door 20 of the Postcode Lottery. The Silver Lion answered 115,000 calls from older people needed friendship and support. Well, that goes back to one of the earlier doors where it said people should socialise and get out more and interact. So that might be corresponding with the silver lining, so people can like talk and need help and support. Anyway, that's day 20 of the Postcode Lottery and the Galaxy. You've been watching Leo the Lion taking a dump, and you've been watching Mike's chat on the 4K eyebrow. Cheers.